Project Cobra is equipped with digital guard dogs to go keyless PBS-1 system. It lets you start your vehicle with just a touch of a button. And here's how it works. This key fob is in manual mode. We push the unlock button to engage the ignition switch. Make sure the car is out of gear and check the parking brake. First, pressing the brake pedal engages the digital guard dog system. Second, to press the clutch to engage the neutral switch. The vehicle is now ready for ignition. To turn off the engine, simply press the ignition button. Notice the gauges are no longer powered, and we can now turn off the digital guard dog system by pressing the lock button. Second, to engage the ignition system without starting the engine, simply press the unlock button and the ignition switch. As you see, the gauges here are now active. The second key fob, or eye tag, is in automatic mode. In automatic mode, the function of enabling and disabling your ignition occur without any action on your part other than having the eye tag present. This concludes how to start Project Cobra with your digital guard dog keyless system. Please reference the manual for additional instructions. Enjoy.